Koreatown. It's actually inside Koreatown. Yeah. Hi. Good. Thanks.
Unfortunately, we're not permitted to do that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that would
Is the Line Hotel. You can see LA right over here. Hi guys, welcome to another video from beautiful Los Angeles. So I'm at this Line Hotel. If you can see from here is the Line Hotel. And I'm staying here and I'm going to show you how beautiful this hotel is. Just loving it. So this is the entrance. And look at the lobby, guys. How cool this lobby is. Wow, look at these artifacts. It's such a cool little place. Such a hipster kind of place. And look at this. And it has a nice coffee shop. It's closed right now. It's called the Alfred. And there's the bar on that side. And this is kind of the lobby area where you can just sit and work during the day. And of course that's a very cool looking bar over here. So this hotel is very close to Koreatown. It's actually inside Koreatown. Yeah. Hi. Good. Thanks.
hold on, I'm the manager here.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I'm staying over here, and I'm a YouTuber, so I'm just taping a little bit.
So unfortunately, we're not permitted to do that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that would have to be done to us.
Okay. Because in the morning I asked, and she said you can do it. Okay. No worries. Gotcha. No worries. So guys, this is how the corridor looks like. And let's now go and check out the room. Wow, look at this room, guys. It's such a beautiful room. I love this fittings over here. There is the TV. And of course, this is the windows facing Koreatown. And that's the line sign that I was showing you. And over there is a restaurant. Look at the room. Isn't this gorgeous? So they have got, my stuff is all over here. But this is a place to kind of sit. And this is the desk area, and while you are sitting over here, you can view the entire area of LA. And the desk is pretty big. You can sit, you can work. My laptop is over here, so I was working all day today. And look at the artifact, it's so unique. I just love this hotel. And this is the bathroom. So let's turn the lights on. There you go, guys. Look at this bathroom. Nice shower head over there. Got nice toiletries. Very clean toilet. All in all, it's really, really nice. Now let's do the usual, the bed test. So that's, woo, it's nice and comfortable. Oh, so nice. I can just sleep over here and watch LA. There you go. And that's how you're going to be watching LA while you're sleeping over here. I mean, you cannot really watch LA while you're sleeping, but when you get up, you can see LA right over here. And now I'm going to show you some cool things. So the controls for the curtains are over here. So this is how you control the curtains. So there you go. It's closing time. Closing time. There you go. It's so cool, guys. And then in the morning, when you wake up, you go over here again. That's how you open. And bam! is opening up. Then you can sit over here and chill out also. It's pretty nice. Just sitting and chilling out with the backdrop of LA right over here. So all in all, I love this place. Let me show you the workspace over here. It's pretty nice too. You can sit and just put your computer on and work, which I have to because I'll be uploading a lot of videos tonight. So that's how it is. So the only thing I didn't like is how the manager suddenly just came to me and said, you cannot film over here, because it is a public space, guys. Like, it's a lobby. Anybody can walk and do. People were just filming using their iPhones, and in the morning when I asked them, they were all fine. But that was weird. But let me show you something else, which is it has got a cool minibar. So this is the minibar. It's well stocked. It's got some of these wines over here too, the Underwood Pinots. It has got some nice closet space, and it's a very cool t-shirt for purchase. I think it's about $40. I think I'm gonna get this Koreatown Run Club. And then it has got some space over here too. It has a ironing board, all of that stuff. And then here's the blanket. They keep the blanket over here. So, love this hotel. And guess how much I paid for this? It's $138. You know, using Hotels Tonight. I love that app, by the way. That's another app that I would definitely recommend that you guys use when you're traveling, because that's sometimes a lifesaver. For $138 in LA, that's a bargain. So all in all, this is a great hotel. The experience still has been very nice, but the manager was a little bit kind of rude, I thought, just to come and just let me, make me stop filming, because as I said, I asked permission in the morning saying that I can film, and they're like, yes, you can. But other than that, everything else has been fantastic. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to finish this video right now. And if you're loving my videos, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon, because more videos are coming. So good night from the City of Angels, Los Angeles, and more videos to come soon. So keep on watching, guys.